All right, buckle up, everybody, because today we are diving deep into rank and rent SEO,
Ooh, sounds exciting.
and specifically how it all works with Google My Business.
Right.
Becoming like a digital landlord,
Yeah.
renting out websites to businesses that are just hungry for leads.
I like that analogy.
Yeah, so this is a model that can potentially really generate some passive income,
Absolutely.
and I'm dying to break it down with you.
Great, let's do it.
So we have a ton of sources here
We do.
about how to optimize those Google business profiles or GBPs,
Yeah.
researching keywords,
Uh-huh.
and even how to pitch leads to businesses.
The whole 9 yards.
What? Where do we even begin?
Well, you got to start with the super optimized GBP.
Okay.
That is like the foundation.
Yeah.
First impression for so many potential customers.
Makes sense?
It's like their storefront, you know?
Yeah, if you don't take care of your storefront,
It's not looking good.
nobody's coming in.
Right. You're leaving money on the table.
I was just thinking about that,
Yeah.
having a prime location in a bustling city,
Mm-hmm.
but your storefront is
Dumpy.
dull and dusty.
Awesome.
Yeah, nobody's going in.
Exactly. And even before they click on the website,
Right.
they're forming an opinion based on that GBP.
What?
So it's all about accurate business info.
Right.
Choosing the right categories,
Yeah.
visuals that pop.
Yes.
High quality photos and videos.
I love those, before and after pictures.
Oh, yeah, that's a great example.
Like for a cleaning service or something.
Cleaning service, yeah.
You see the grime and then bam, it's sparkling.
Exactly.
Like instant impact.
Totally. Or imagine a driving school
Okay.
showcasing videos of their students confidently navigating traffic.
Well, that's smart.
Builds trust.
Yeah.
Really shows their expertise.
It's all about selling that sizzle.
Yeah.
And speaking of sizzle, we can't forget about keywords.
Oh, absolutely not.
Those are so important.
Yeah.
It's like the secret sauce to get found online.
Keywords are the language of your customer.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah, you have to understand
Yeah.
what terms potential customers are using
Right.
when they're looking for businesses like yours.
It's almost like we have to be detectives.
Yes. Keyword detective.
Figure out what's working for competitors.
Exactly.
Really understand the nuances of how people search.
That's a great point. Yeah.
Yeah. And location-specific keywords.
Oh, those are golden.
So important.
Like if you're a pizza place in Chicago,
Yeah.
you want to rank for best pizza Chicago loop.
Right.
Not just best pizza.
Got it, yeah.
That precision
Yeah.
is what brings in those targeted customers.
So, okay, we've got the optimized GBP.
Yes.
We're speaking the language of our customer.
Uh-huh.
But is that enough? Don't we need to build authority beyond just Google?
You're absolutely right. GBP is just the foundation.
Okay.
Think of it like a tree.
Okay.
You need strong roots to support those branches reaching out.
I like that.
Yeah, so that's where citations and backlinks come in.
Oh, yeah, citations.
Those are mentions of your business on other platforms.
And backlinks are links from other websites pointing back to yours.
Exactly, like votes of confidence from the online community.
I was reading that even Google's own free website builder for GBP can be used for backlinks.
It's true.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, Google is basically handing you a tool
Yeah.
to boost your ranking,
Wow.
but you have to use it strategically.
Right.
Craft natural, user-friendly content.
Okay.
You can't just stuff keywords.
Oh, I see.
That can backfire.
What do you call that?
SEO over-optimization.
It's like trying too hard.
Yeah, like that friend who tries too hard to be cool and just ends up looking desperate.
It's a good analogy.
Yeah, search engines can sniff that out.
Yeah.
So the goal is to provide genuine value for your audience,
Okay.
not just try to game the system.
Right. So it's about walking that fine line
Yeah.
between optimizing for search engines,
Yep.
but also creating a website that people actually enjoy using.
That's the sweet spot.
That's a balancing act.
It is.
So we've covered the foundation of a great GBP.
Huh?
We've talked about building authority beyond Google.
Yep.
But there's still a piece missing, right?
I wonder what it could be.
What happens when you actually have all those leads rolling in?
That's a great question.
How do we connect with those local businesses
Yeah.
and seal the deal?
That is where the art of the pitch comes in.
Okay.
And that's what we're going to tackle next.
All right. I can't wait.
It's going to be good. Okay, so we've got this website. It's ranking. The leads are coming in.
We've built this machine.
Yeah.
But now we need to figure out how to actually connect with those businesses.
Right.
Make them see the value.
Exactly. And it's not just about blasting out generic emails
Right.
or cold calling everyone in the phone book.
No.
You got to understand their needs.
Yeah.
Build relationships.
Okay.
Position yourself as a partner, not a vendor.
So we're talking about more than just a sales pitch. Yeah, like genuine connections,
Absolutely.
showing them how we can help them.
Yeah, solve their problems.
Okay, so I've come across this concept of offering free leads up front.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Sounds a little crazy.
It does, but it works.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a game changer.
I'm a little hesitant. Giving away something valuable for free
I get it.
feels counterintuitive.
But think about it from the business owner's perspective.
Okay.
They're bombarded with marketing offers constantly.
Oh, yeah, all the time.
And most of them are all talk, no action.
Right.
So by offering those free leads,
Yeah.
you're saying, look, I'm so confident in what I can deliver
Okay.
that I'm willing to let you try before you buy.
Okay, I like that. Cutting through the noise.
Exactly.
But how do we choose which businesses to offer those free leads to?
It's all about targeting.
Right. We can't just give away everything.
No, you want businesses that are a good fit for your niche.
Okay.
They're actively looking for leads,
Yeah,
and they have the potential to become long-term clients.
makes sense.
And this is where your keyword research comes back in.
Oh, yeah. Hey, see.
You can use those keywords to identify businesses that are already trying to rank
Oh, that's smart.
for those terms.
Okay, so we're not just throwing leads out there.
Yeah.
We're being intentional.
Absolutely.
It's more like a collaboration.
Exactly. Rank and Rent is all about creating win-win situations.
I like that.
You're helping them grow.
Yeah.
They're helping you build your business.
But even with free leads, some business owners might still be hesitant,
Sure, they might be.
like skeptical.
Yeah.
So how do we overcome those objections?
Well, you got to be persuasive.
Right.
Clearly articulate the value.
Not just talking about SEO and backlinks.
No.
Right.
You got to paint a picture.
Okay.
Show them how those leads will bring real results.
Speaking their language, more customers, increased revenue.
That's what they want to hear.
Okay, so let's say we've secured a client.
Right.
They're happy with the free leads.
Great.
They're ready to sign.
What does that agreement look like?
Yeah, like what's typical?
Usually you transition to a recurring rental agreement.
Okay.
You manage the website. It stays optimized.
Yeah.
Keeps generating leads.
Okay.
They pay a monthly fee for access.
So passive income month after month.
That's the goal.
That is the dream.
Yeah,
But building these websites takes time and effort.
it does.
How do we balance the upfront investment
That's the challenge.
with those potential long-term rewards?
You got to find those profitable niches,
Okay.
optimize your workflow, scale your business.
Right.
And this is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yeah,
This takes work.
Dedication,
Yeah.
understanding of how SEO works.
You got it.
And the world of SEO is constantly evolving.
Oh, yeah. Always changing.
Google updates all the time.
All the time.
So how do we stay ahead of the curve?
You got to be adaptable.
Okay.
Lifelong learners, stay up to date,
Yeah.
best practices, industry trends, algorithm updates.
Right.
There's tons of resources out there.
Yeah.
Blogs, forums, courses.
Conferences. Yeah.
And network with other SEO professionals.
It's about being part of that community,
Absolutely.
sharing knowledge, learning
Yeah.
from each other.
Exactly.
But even with all the right knowledge,
Uh-huh.
strategies in place,
Yeah.
there's one thing we can't forget:
What's that?
the user experience.
Oh, that's so important.
We can have the best ranking website,
Yeah.
but if it's clunky,
Yeah.
confusing,
Slow to load,
yeah,
you're going to lose people.
absolutely.
User experience is paramount.
So we're talking mobile responsiveness,
Yes.
fast loading times,
Absolutely.
clear and concise content,
Mm-hmm.
visually appealing design.
It all matters.
Think about it. You wouldn't want to shop in a store that was
Yeah.
poorly lit, cluttered.
Yeah, difficult to
The
navigate.
same goes for websites.
Exactly.
Make it inviting, informative, easy to use.
Especially on mobile.
Yes, I've been guilty of clicking away from those websites
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
that aren't mobile friendly.
Me too.
It's just so frustrating.
And those slow loading times,
Ooh, I hate that.
it's like watching paint dry.
I know. So optimizing for speed is crucial.
It is.
But what about content?
Yeah.
How do we write content that's both informative and engaging?
Keep it clear, concise, easy to understand.
Okay.
Avoid jargon,
Right.
technical terms.
Yeah.
Focus on benefits, how they can solve problems.
Put yourself in their shoes.
Exactly.
Speak their language.
Yep.
Don't forget visuals.
Oh, the visuals are key.
High quality images. Clean layout.
Makes a big difference.
We've covered a lot.
We have.
Google My Business profiles.
Yeah.
Building authority. Persuasive pitches.
Yes.
User-friendly websites.
Right.
But I'm curious about something.
What's that?
I heard you can leverage Google My Business to get leads even before you have a website.
That's true.
Really?
Google My Business has this feature
Okay.
called Google Posts. You can share updates, offers, events
Right on your listing.
right on your listing.
Okay.
And here's the kicker. You can include a call to action with a link.
So you could drive traffic, get leads
You got
without even having a website.
exactly.
Wow, that's amazing. How does that work?
So let's say you're targeting emergency plumbing services.
Okay.
You create a Google post that says, "Need a plumber fast, call us now."
Oh, smart.
And you include your phone number as the call to action.
Okay, so you're capitalizing on that immediacy, showcasing your availability.
Right there in the search results.
What about businesses that aren't as time sensitive?
Well, you can use Google Posts to promote special offers,
Okay.
showcase new products or services,
Yeah.
share customer testimonials,
Oh, that's a good one.
or even just helpful tips
Okay.
related to your niche.
I'll make it relevant,
Relevant, engaging,
clear call to action.
always.
This opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
It does.
But before we get carried away, what about the legal side of things?
Yes.
Are there any specific considerations?
Well, we're not legal experts,
Of course.
but it's crucial to have a clear agreement
Okay.
with the businesses you're renting your sites to.
Right. Scope of services, payment terms,
Exactly.
mid-delivery.
All those details.
Make sure everyone's on the same page.
Avoid misunderstandings.
And it's always a good idea to consult with a legal professional.
Oh, absolutely.
Make sure those agreements are sound.
Better safe than sorry.
Okay. We've covered so much.
We have.
Google My Business profiles,
Yeah.
building authority,
Mm-hmm.
crafting those pitches,
Mm-hmm.
creating that user-friendly website experience.
It's a lot.
It is, but there's one final piece of the puzzle I want to touch on,
Okay, what's that?
the human element.
Oh, yeah, that's important.
We've talked about the technical side of things,
Right.
but this is a business built on relationships,
Absolutely.
connecting with those local business owners,
Understanding their needs.
helping them achieve their goals.
It's all connected.
Technical skills are important,
They are.
but they're only part of the equation.
Yeah,
Success in rank and rent requires more than that.
it does.
Business acumen,
Yep.
people skills,
Absolutely.
passion,
Oh, yeah.
genuine desire to help others.
Couldn't agree more.
When you're passionate,
Yeah,
it shows.
it really does.
That's what sets successful rank and renters apart.
For sure.
Now, before we get to our final thoughts,
Okay.
I want to acknowledge a pioneer in this field,
Oh, who's that?
Willie Crawford.
Oh, Willie.
He's been in the SEO game since 2003,
Wow, that's a long time.
leading rank and rent
What
experts,
a legend.
sharing his knowledge,
Yeah,
helping so many others.
he's the best.
So as we wrap up this deep dive,
Yeah.
we want to leave you with a final thought-provoking question. Imagine for a second you had high-quality leads
Oh, yeah.
coming in for your business every single day.
Every day.
How would that change things?
I mean, it's a game changer.
Right. You don't have to chase down customers.
You can focus on other stuff.
Exactly. Focus on growing your business.
It's like planting a money tree.
Yeah. The digital version.
But we've covered so much today.
We have a lot of information.
From Google business profiles
Yeah.
to those keyword strategies,
Right.
crafting the pitches,
Mm-hmm.
making those user-friendly websites.
It can be overwhelming,
It can.
but it shows you how much goes into rank and rent.
It's more than just the technical skills.
Oh, for
You
sure.
need that mindset.
You got to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah, able to connect with people,
Build those relationships.
always be willing to learn.
Adapt. Yeah.
So for those feeling inspired,
Yeah.
ready to jump in,
What are the key takeaways?
yeah, what should they remember?
That Google business profile.
Yes, the GBP.
That's your home base.
Make it shine.
Accurate, compelling, optimized.
It's like dressing for success.
It is. But for your business online.
And then those keywords.
Master those keywords. What are people searching for?
Yeah, use those terms to bring traffic to your site.
You got to become a detective.
You do.
Understand your audience.
Speak their language.
Make that content resonate.
Absolutely.
And don't limit yourself to Google.
That's right.
Build authority beyond.
Get those citations, build backlinks.
Make a website people love.
Mm-hmm.
And even use Google's free website builder
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
for those backlinks.
Yeah,
And then when the leads come in,
the leads start flowing.
master the pitch.
Sell those benefits.
Not just the features.
Right. Show them how you can solve their problems.
Help them grow.
Exactly.
Offer those free leads.
Oh, yeah, don't be afraid of that.
It's a bold move.
But it builds trust.
And the world of SEO is always changing.
Always
Stay curious.
keep learning.
Never stop experimenting.
That's the key.
the more you learn.
the more successful you'll be.
This has been so insightful.
It has.
I hope our listeners are feeling fired up.
Yeah.
Rank and Rent SEO.
It's more than just a business model.
It's an opportunity.
It is.
Create something valuable.
Help businesses thrive.
Build a future with passive income.
That's the dream.
And remember, everyone starts somewhere.
Everyone.
Take that first step.
Embrace the journey.
Who knows, maybe you'll be the next Willie Crawford.
I love it.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into Rank and Rent SEO.
My pleasure.
And we'll see you next time.
See ya.